Alright, what's up? Once again, everyone. So today, ang atong pagabuhaton karon is we will go ahead and clean, okay, thoroughly, no, the computers. Okay, I mean the monitors and the system units. We'll make sure that everything is thoroughly clean. So, also I'm gonna teach you guys how to clean your computers because it's important that we make sure that every equipments that we have, computers, laptops, is clean. All right, because I mean so that it will last longer. So the one that I'm actually using here is actually Wipeout. All right, this is actually available in DIY, Ace Hardware, any hardware, say, stores. Um, this is how this is the one that I will be using to clean this very dirty system unit, so that it will look like this. All right, so it will make the system unit shiny. I'm about to, after I clean everything with Wipeout. Later I'll try to check out on the system unit the 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 innards, say, or the parts probably. I'll go ahead and check it out. So I just want to make sure that everything is, thoroughly clean as well. I will be using blower for it because there are cobwebs actually. So that will be my job for today. Today is Tuesday. Um, so hopefully, this is the only one who's going to do this. Hopefully I will be able to finish everything here. All right, so I will be sending you videos later uh, once done. All right, thank you so much and enjoy. All right, so after wiping a few computers already, somewhat I already finished few monitors and system units. So see, it's really shiny already. Okay, so if we compare it to the monitor without uh, being wiped out or being treated with wipeout, you can really tell the difference. Like, this is the monitor, right? That was, devastated by Odette. These are the monitors, and then like it's really, it's really dirty and whatnot. So after I treated it with wipeout, you can really tell the difference. As you can see, it's already shiny. All right, it's shiny and it's really clean. All right, so whenever someone is going to use it, you will be able to determine it, like it's like brand new, right? Because it's really clean and it's shiny. So we still have a lot of computers to be cleaned with, and stay tuned and enjoy the video. Alright, my buntag sa tanan. So, I am already done cleaning everything. Wipe it with wipe out. So, as you can see, it's already clean. Right? Everything is already uh, clean. So, somehow it removes the dirt already caused by the typhoon. So, everything is um, being treated with wet out. Hopefully, when we tried to test it with the electricity, at least, all right, all our efforts will not go in vain because everything is working, right? So, as for as update for our school, Mabolo National High School, we still don't have electricity here, so we cannot test the computers that was devastated by the typhoon. So let's just hope and pray that all these assets, right, is still working, and this is just to uh, see also how to with regards to COC4 in computer system servicing. This is how we maintain our computers so that our assets will be sustainable. We can still be the generations will still be able to use it because we properly maintain the computers so that it will last longer. All right, so that's it for our blog for today. I hope you enjoy um, um, watching the video, and appreciate you guys subscribe and follow me in YouTube. And that's it for today. You have a wonderful day. God bless.